So yes guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm here again with the custard apple guys, and today I'll be making a custard apple juice for you guys. And right here I already have some custard apple with the skin removed. So this one is pretty easy guys, so all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and add some water. Okay guys, okay, amazing. And then I'm just gonna put to blend. We don't want to blend the seeds because this one have a whole lot of seeds inside, so I'm just gonna pulp. Alright guys, that is it. Okay, I just want the seeds to be removed from the pulp. Okay, and then from there guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and strain. So yes guys, what you want to do now, you want to use a spoon, okay, and you want to see as much of the juice that you can extract. Okay guys, yeah, see guys, my seeds, they are not blended. We really don't want these seeds to be in our juice. Okay guys, amazing. Alright, now guys, now that my seeds are separated, what I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add a pinch of nutmeg and a pinch of cinnamon. What you want to do guys, you want to go ahead and mix. Okay guys, this one is nice and creamy guys. Okay guys, and for sweetening, or for your sweetener, what you want to use guys, you want to use condensed milk. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some condensed milk to my sweet sop. Okay guys, some people call it sweet sop, some people call it custard apple, but they're actually different. In another video I will show you guys what is a sweet sop. So time to time we make a mistake and call it sweet sop, sour sop, custard apple. They are similar tastes, but they are different, trust me guys. So guys, now my juice is ready. What I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna go ahead and pour it into a glass. Okay guys, and there we go guys, our custard apple juice is ready. See guys, this one is pretty amazing and delicious. Let me go ahead and taste it guys. This is what I'm talking about guys. Amazing. This one is super delicious. So you happen to find this fruit in your food store, your supermarket, wherever it wanna be guys, go ahead and purchase one or purchase few, and go ahead and follow my recipe, and trust me guys, this will be one of the best juice that you can ever have. And thank you so much guys for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in another video pretty soon. Goodbye.